Maya, why did you post that? Everyone's laughing in the comments.
I didn't mean to embarrass you. It was just for fun.
Sometimes it's funny to us might hurt someone else. You should have asked for posting the video, Maya.
I'm sorry. I didn't think it through.
Maybe take it down, then apologize properly. That shows you mean.
Yeah, it takes courage to admit when we're wrong.
We all make mistakes. What matters is how we fix them.
It's gone, Tiana. I'm really sorry. I didn't realize it made you feel this way.
Thanks, Maya. I forgive you. Let's just make a new video together. Something positive.